Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I'm heading into Dollar Tree. So you know I'm going to invite you to come with me. Let's go shopping. Well, Dollar Tree has gotten in quite a few items. Now this is definitely not everything, but I wanted to hop on and share what I'm finding. These little sitting signs of the Scarecrow and Owl and Pumpkin have returned, as well as all of the felt items. And you guys, they brought in the red truck in one of their pumpkin signs. They have their traditional welcome fall, and their Scarecrow guy is back. There are a lot of returning items, but I did find some new things. Now they've revamped these signs that we've seen for years. They added a little bit of black into them, and I love them. Also, they've got these standing pumpkin signs in two versions, the white in Welcome Friends and then the orange in Hello Fall. They are one-sided, so you've got sort of a burlap finish on the front. A lot of the lettering is in glitter, and they've got a little added pumpkin there at the bottom with some raffia at the top. And they've brought back the garden stakes. I am really happy about that. I loved picking these up last year, and they're back. I have heard rumors that this little red truck is coming to Dollar Tree soon in ceramic version, so I will keep an eye out on that one for you guys. And they've got these little sets of 3 pumpkins in white, red, 2 oranges, and they have little clips on the back so you could easily add them to either a wreath or an arrangement. Of course, all of the felt items we see yearly have come back. The hanging welcome signs in felt with the scarecrows. Now the burlap pumpkins have returned. There's a more neutral tan version and a more yellow version. Now I showed you guys the sitting signs of the Scarecrow, Pumpkin, and Owl. They also have them back again this year in the garden stakes. And this is the ribbon. It looks so familiar. I remember all of these from last year. So at least so far, that's what they've brought out for the autumn and harvest season in ribbon. They do have a lot of blinged out pumpkins, bejeweled and bedazzled in copper and bronze and gold. If you do a glam fall decor, you may want to check these out. Of course, more fall items. And this guy's back, our little scarecrow friend, and I'm excited because they put out a little girl scarecrow. Now, I do not remember seeing a girl in years past, at least at my stores. Lots of little scarecrow stakes in sets of 2, some table scatter maple leaves, and look at this tool. It's got bronze maple leaves on it. It's a white background, and all of the mesh is coming in, as well as some returning 1-inch grosgrain ribbon and tulle. This gold tulle is gorgeous. They have it in a few colors. They have green, burgundy, as well as the traditional orange. And look at these. These are refrigerator magnets. These are the cutest version that I have ever seen them done. I really like these and think they did a good job on these this year. Of course, the little string lights with the autumn leaves are back, and I'm so excited that I found these. Pretty and Flawed had showed these on her channel. I love her, I always have, and I'm excited they made it to my store. They are 3 signs in galvanized metal for $1. You know those went into my basket. Our little owl friends are back. Lots of decorative bows and the little hay bales. These are a really good buy. These run about $2.99 in places like Michael's. Now they have lots of leaf garlands and some felt leaves in multiple colors that you could DIY up a storm with. Now these were a big hit last year, the metal buckets with the Scarecrow, Owl, and Sunflower. They are just as they were last year, back in stores this year. Here's a new little addition this year, this little orange tinsel pumpkin. Definitely a new item. Here are some more hanging pieces, scarecrows with welcome signs, as well as your garden stake scarecrows and standing scarecrows. Now let's get into all of the Halloween items I found. Of course, our friendly spiders are back, and they're hot pink and glittery, so you can glam them up. They have the miniature version all covered in different color glitter from green, orange, purple, and ribbon. I really like the ribbons. This one is so pretty. Now I know a lot of people have aversions to spiders, but I just like the scroll work in that one. I also love the pumpkin print. This polka dot is new this year. The polka dots are actually glitter, and this little pumpkin print. And then they've got this whole set that is kind of Jack Skellington to me, just the vibe. Purple and black stripe, and then a lot of metallic. So they've got the gold pumpkins and spiders, and then they've got this one with the skeleton on it. Now last year was the first year we've ever decorated for Halloween. So now I'm getting all kinds of ideas seeing these door hangers. These are just little nylons with felt shoes on the bottom, little witches shoes in the purple, orange, and green. And the DIY possibilities are endless here. Here is their version of Tulle for Halloween. Again, it's a black background. They've got gold, purple, silver, and orange spider webs in glitter, and then all of the glitter tulle in orange, purple, and black, as well as the glitter 1-inch ribbon. They definitely know that a lot of us out there want to pick up these items to start our DIYs, so they're putting them out early. They have out the plastic rats, of course, all of the foam shapes, and these little miniature figurines that you can pick up to paint. These are new characters. They've got a little pumpkin guy, a Frankenstein, a witch, and a vampire. Now I don't remember seeing the pumpkin guy or the vampire last year, and these are definitely new. They're little witch hat picks in purple, green, and orange. These are going to be really popular. Now, if you do a Halloween tree, those would be a perfect addition. Now, if you have a little one in your life and you don't want to load them up on sugar, you may want to look at a few of these things for a Halloween basket for them. They have out really cute little canvases on easels, standing wood figures you can paint. I also found the black plastic bats. Try and say that fast 3 times. And then they brought back the felt stickers. These were very popular last year. Quite a few of them have a vintage feel to them. Just trying to show you guys this set. I think it's really, really cute with the bats and pumpkins outlined. We've got some super cute ghosts in there as well. Now, all of the standard stuff we normally see is out for crafting, but they do have out some neon items. And now let's turn around and show you guys what's behind me. They actually put out sets of 5 ornaments for Halloween trees. So they have a few different color variations. Definitely orange and purple and black are the main colors. Now when you buy a pack with the eyeballs in it, you get 2 eyeballs and they are both different colors. I'm loving the black and orange stuff. And for $1 to get 5 ornaments, it's definitely a good deal. You could also add these to a garland or to a DIY. I was so excited to see these, but I didn't pick them up because I don't do a Halloween tree. They also have some lanterns in the paper version that they put out each year. All of the lights are hitting the shelves, the LED rope lights. These little tea lights are back. The little lanterns with the witch, cat, and haunted mansion are back from last year. And the, well, I would consider it a rope light, but it's much thinner than a rope, in orange and purple. Some cute pumpkin lanterns. Lots of pumpkin lanterns. The screaming ghost is back, as well as the witch. Now they've got a few different versions of the 10 LED lights, the skeleton, bat, and pumpkin. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what they're starting to put out. You know there will be another video as soon as I see more items hit the shelf. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.